Meet Steve and Craig. Craig has already managed to take out a tire and then a garden bench, and that was before lunch. Now that's efficiency at its finest. And Steve? Smooth, steady, not a scratch, not a story, just quietly wondering how the weather was so different to the rain in Santander.
Yeah, Steve and Craig! Oh, the road is calling our name. Riding hard, living free, never gonna be the same. Jumped on our bikes, left the old life behind. Two ex-coppers with the spirit to unwind. A Suzuki and a BMW roaring down the street, chasing horizons, feeling that summer heat. From the UK to Spain, we're living the dream, riding untamed. Thousands of miles, every twist and bend, it's never the same. Dirt bike holidays, we're ready to learn, we're ready to play. Yeah, this is our moment, let the wild times roll today. Riding free with Steve and Craig, under the Spanish sun. Dirt roads beneath our wheels, oh, it's just begun. Feel the wind in our hair, we've come so far away. Through laughter and adventure, we're living our way. Racing through valleys, mountains kissing the sky. Each jump gets higher, we can almost fly. Training with the best, we're sharpening our skill. Riding side by side, chasing every thrill. From the UK to Spain, we're living the dream, riding untamed. Feel the dirt kick up, hear the roaring sound. It's never the same. With dirt bike holidays, we're ready to take on the trails. Yeah, this is our adventure, where every heartbeat prevails. Riding free with Steve and Craig, under the Spanish sun. Dirt roads beneath our wheels, oh, it's just begun. Feel the wind in our hair, we've come so far away. Through laughter and adventure, we're living our way. We're just two friends, living life wild and loud. In the sunset glow, man, we ain't backing down. From the dirt to the skyline, we'll ride until it's done. With every turn and every jump, this journey's just begun.